Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Rachel, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. This company was kind enough to send over some beauty products to me. The company, Beautified is the beauty supply. They're located in downtown LA. So definitely check them out. I will link all of their information in the description box below. And if I've been away for a little bit, it was because my mom was actually in town just a couple weeks ago. So that vlog will be coming up soon. And let's jump right in. I have a lot of stuff in here. I think they said mainly that they were going to be sending me skincare stuff today. So if you guys know anything about me, you know I am a huge skincare junkie. So this is right up my alley. I'm just gonna pull things out one by one. So the first thing I see in here is looks like, I don't know, this is just a bag from Dermalogica. I'm a little bit of a bag hoarder, but here in LA, you have to pay for grocery bags, so it's always good to have extra bags laying around for produce and stuff you bring home. So yeah, it just looks like a bag from Dermalogica, which I actually like a lot of their products. Shelly, you just got a bunch of stuff from Dermalogica too, right?
Sure did.
Yep. So we are huge fans of Dermalogica, and it looks just like a little tote bag to carry some of your beauty products around. So that will go to good use. Let's see. Next up in here is a beauty blender. Huge fan of the beauty blender. This is by the brand. I've never heard of this brand, but it says by Sigma Beauty. Practic? P-R-A-C-T-K. It's really cute. It's kind of like in a comic book kind of theme. And it says it's their power blender. And yeah, just looks like a beauty blender dupe. I can always tell if I'm gonna like one of these just from the texture of it before I even wet it. So let's see what this guy feels like. This one's hard to tell. It's very dense. They do obviously expand and stretch out once they're wet. What's cool about this guy is it actually has a flat surface on one side, which is pretty cool for like the under eye area. So I don't think I have anything this shape. So I'll definitely have to try it, let you guys know, test it out. But I love the packaging. That is super cute. It's a little bit of a glare on my camera, but that's what the packaging looks like. So cute. All right, next in here is looks like a cleanser, skin cleanser by the brand Obagi. And I don't think they sell this, honestly, in like a drugstore. I think this is more of like a, maybe like spa brand. I'm pretty sure that when I've gotten facials, I've seen this brand before. It says it's an AM and PM gentle cleanser. It says rinses clean while soothing delicate skin. Let's see if it has any scent to it. No, just like a fresh scent. Let's see what the consistency like. Just from it feels like it's pretty liquidy in there. So yeah, just a gentle cleanser, which will be nice. I tend to use heavier cleansers, I feel like at night or PM, because I'm like removing my makeup and then cleansing. Sometimes whatever kind of makeup remnants you have left on your face, it's better to use something a little more heavy duty after a long day, but this is great for a morning when I only have like a serum on my skin. So I will definitely try that out. Next up we have a moisturizer from the brand Anora Skincare. Another brand I've never heard of before. Actually, Obagi, I shouldn't say that. I've heard of this, I've just never used it. I've never purchased it on my own. This one is completely new to me. It says it's a hydrating and soothing formula that helps diminish fine lines and wrinkles, protects from environmental pollutants. All good things here in the smoggy area of LA. It's actually not too bad. I feel like in this area, in Glendale, I see it, but like in other parts of LA, it's super heavy. In our last area in Los Feliz, I could always see it a little bit more. I don't know if it has something to do with us being like a little bit more outside of LA or in the valley, but I don't see it as much here. Sometimes just a little bit early in the morning, it burns off pretty quick. All right, so I'm opening this up. I love moisturizers because it is super dry here in LA. So let's see. This is paraben free, good for all skin types. A light day cream. Okay, that's what I was interested in finding out. Light day cream with active ingredients to help protect your skin from harsh environmental pollutants. Sometimes if it's a night one, it's heavier, so you can't use it for AM and PM, but this says it's a daytime formula, so let's, has a really nice citrusy, a really light citrus scent, but feels pretty nice and lightweight on the skin. It smells nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like this. So I will play around with this guy more. Skincare is really pretty as well. The packaging, nice little periwinkle color. Alright, what else is in this bag? Looks like I have a lavender hand cream by the brand Jarlique. Never heard of this one either. Is it, our farm is in the Adelaide Hills of South Australia. Maybe that's why. And I love lavender, but sometimes lavender smells can be like a little headachy to me if they're too strong. So let's see what this smells like. Smells pretty good. My hands are always dry because I am an overhand washer. Yeah, that smells really nice. And it's more of like a heavy floral scent. I have one by Lush Cosmetics. It's called Sleepy. That's more of like a sweeter lavender vanilla. This one is more like spa lavender. It's pretty heavy. But yeah, it smells really relaxing. Definitely throw this in my purse and get good use out of it. I can always use an extra hand cream. And yay! It looks like I have a travel size kit of some Dermalogica products, so let's see exactly what's in here. So it comes in this cute little travel bag, and inside, let's see exactly what I have. I have the Pre-Cleanse Balm, which I've actually used. I like that one a lot. Do you have that one, Shelly? The Pre-Cleanse Balm by Dermalogica? I love that one. Yeah.
All your makeup.
Yep, so it like removes the makeup and kind of does like it's a pre-cleanse, so it mainly just breaks down makeup, but I always feel like I'm pretty cleansed. I go in one more time with a regular cleanser, but I love the Pre-Cleanse Balm. Then we have this special cleansing gel. What else? Oil-free. It says Medivac Cleaning Line. It is a broad spectrum sunscreen, helps prevent shine on oily and breakout prone skin. Hello, this is made for me. So this is the oil-free matte SPF 30. Some of my foundations have SPF in them and others don't. So if they don't, and I know I'm gonna be in the sun, I always slather on a SPF underneath, and it's good if you know that it's like oil-free and that it's a matte formula so that your foundation will lay nicely up over it. And then the last one is from the Age Smart line. It's the Daily Super Foliant. I actually got like a little trial of this before and I really like it. So you add a little, if this is what I'm thinking it is, you add a little water to the powder and it's a really good exfoliator, but like really fine so it doesn't, you know, dig into your skin. I feel like some of the, what's the one I used to use? The St. Ives apricot one. The apricot beads are so big, and I learned later that they said that that's actually not good for your skin. Like if you have older skin or aging skin, it's actually bad to use something that has large beads like that. Like your skin is just thinner and it can't handle that kind of abuse. So the Super Foliant is a really fine grains exfoliator. It's really nice. So yeah, this is cool. I'm actually flying to the East Coast in a couple days and this will be perfect to throw in my travel bag. Comes in a clear little carrying case, which I guess is good for, oh, it says TSA approved. Cool. So you just need to leave this in here and they can see exactly what the contents in it. And now I can put it in my little Dermalogica tote as well. In fact, I'm gonna store all my stuff in here for now. This is perfect though. It's like a cute little beach bag. It could be a tote for the grocery store. It's like perfect sized. All All right, just a couple things left in this bag. It looks like another makeup case. Actually, it feels really good inside. It's almost like a flannel-lined case, and I can always use little traveling things because after a while, from things leaking and stuff, your bags just get gross. So this is a nice carrying case. And then it just looks like I have a couple of samples that they threw in here. Let's see, we have a code here, so save 22% on your first order from beautifyu.com, and the code is BB22. So if you like anything in this video, I will link the code below, and you can get yourself 22% off any of the products on our site. They also included a sample of Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics. These are their new Color Craze matte lip crayons. So there's Angelino, that's cute, it's like a dusty pink. Rodeo Red, which is like a really beautiful blue toned red. It's okay. And it looks like a really deep maroon called Napa Wine. I love it, they're all like LA themed or Cali themed. That's really cute. So there's 3 little trials there, little samples. Then they also included Sig Magic Brush Shampoo. It's their liquid brush cleanser. I don't think I've ever tried Sigma's brush shampoo, so I'm always down to try something new. And then the last one just looks like a bunch of more samples. Comes in a cute little mesh bag. They have the Dermalogica After Sun Repair, I guess, yeah, a cooling treatment balm to help remedy damage from exposure to UV light. So that looks good for after the beach. This is Youngblood's Perfecting Primer, their CC, looks like a CC Perfecting Primer. And it's available in 2 shades, Bare, which is for light to medium skin tones, and Tan for medium to tan skin tones. So I will give that a try. This is Eminence Organic Skincare. I think that was the brand of, is it? Let me double check. No. Alright, so they didn't include this, but it's Eminence's Organic Skincare, their Red Current Rapid Infusion Mask for normal to combo skin. Always down for a mask, so I will report back on this one. Red Current Rapid Infusion Mask. I'm intrigued. It says it's a good source of vitamin C, an astringent, antioxidant, reduces inflammation while promoting collagen production. Definitely looking forward to trying that. Here's another one from Eminence Organic Skincare, another sample. This is their Almond and Mineral Treatment. Exfoliating treatment with almond grains and fresh mineral water. And it tells you what all the ingredients do. Another little cute sample. This is, I guess, from that brand of Daytime Moisturizer. It tells you other things in their kit. They have an eye cream. I already told you guys about the Fortifying Active Moisturizer. That's the one I already have. They have an anti-aging serum, a reparative night moisturizer, I guess, which is a little heavier for overnight, and a purifying gel cleanser. And it says this is formulated and manufactured in Los Angeles, California. Love me a local brand. Also have PMD, Smart, Sexy, Safe, Smart Lip Plumping Serum. Uses hyaluronic acid plus a unique blend of powerful ingredients to boost natural collagen production, visibly increase lip volume, and reduce the appearance of lip lines. Glides on cool and then quickly warms up, helping instantly plump and revitalize lip color. I'm gonna try this right now on camera because some lip plumpers burn. I don't want to recommend it if it's one of those, so I'm gonna try it right now and I'll report back. So let's see. Goes on, it kind of has like a Vaseline type tip, and let's see. It's really thick, almost like a Vaseline lip care. Smells really good. It smells kind of minty. Okay, let's see if it burns. It doesn't smell like it's gonna burn. Some of the ones I could smell, they smell like cinnamon, and instantly I'm like, this is gonna burn my lips off. So far, so good. It's a really thick formula. It feels heavy, like a Vaseline. It's definitely not glossy. But yeah, so far it feels good. I'll let you guys know. Oh yes, good. I'm happy about this. I got a Tropez Gradual Tan Tinted. I'm all out of my home self tanners, so this is an everyday tinted moisturizer and primer that gradually will develop a tan over time. It looks like I'll probably just use this on my face, but yeah, my skin, obviously, you guys can tell I'm super white. I don't go out in the sun that much, so I'm always looking for at least like a little bit of color on my face, and this may do the trick. So that, and then I got another thing by Dermalogica. This is from their Age Smart. It's the Dynamic Skin Recovery. This one has SPF 50 in it too, and it's a moisturizer that helps combat the causes of skin aging. I'm gonna start running again. Yesterday was my first day like getting back into it, and I slathered 50 all over my face because even with a hat on, like the sun is out in full force and I don't want any sun damage. So this is really good that I'm getting these SPF creams that I can put on for my runs in the morning. After cleansing and toning, apply a generous amount to face and neck 30 minutes prior to sun exposure. And last two things, another thing by that brand Eminence. It's apparently an organic skincare line. Looks very indie brand. This is their Blueberry Soy Exfoliating Cleanser. Ooh, blueberry. Let's see how it smells. Wow, it's a really beautiful lavender color. That smells like a blueberry smoothie. And I just got it on my lips. Good job, Rachel. Okay, update on my lips. They're burning a little bit, but nothing that I wouldn't expect of a lip plumper. It's like a tingle with just a very subtle burn. So far I like it. The formula is a little weird. I'm not sure I would put this on over a lipstick. Maybe you would do this and then apply your lipstick, because it kind of took some of the color off, I guess. But yeah, the formula feels pretty good. I'm a fan of anything. Like there's one, I think it's a Too Faced lip injection. That one is hell. They should discontinue that product immediately. That cannot be good for your lips. And last but not least, another thing from Youngblood. This is their mascara. It's called Outrageous Lashes, and it's a mineral lengthening mascara. Let me see the wand. The wand looks very cheap, to be honest with you, but I don't really like these wands. But I'm gonna try it anyway. I usually wear false lashes almost every day anyway, so it just needs to like do a little something for my natural lashes, and then I put falsies over them anyway. But I will report back. It looks like the wand is gonna bother me, but I could be wrong, so I'll let you guys know. But anyway, thank you so much to Beautified You for this gracious skincare package. And again, I'm gonna link the code. They gave us a 22% off with code BB22. So I will link that in the description box below. I'll try and come back and report you guys on some of these things. That way it's not just an unboxing, that I can tell you my honest opinion on some of them. I can already tell you, me and my roommate both stand by Dermalogica. I love many of their products, and I've used Tropez before. I'm really excited to try this Eminence organic skincare line. I've never used them before. And I'll let you guys know about some of the other skincare goodies as well. Thank you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.